Welcome to the session, dear students. In my last class, I taught you one functions. In today's class, we'll discuss what is an onto function. So, last class ಅಲ್ಲಿ one function ಬಗ್ಗೆ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ವಿ. Mathematical approach of one function also we have learnt. So, in today's class, we'll study onto functions and problems based on onto functions. Onto function. What is onto function? Onto function is also called a surjective function, or we can also call it a surjection. In last class I taught you one. What is one? One function is also called as injective function or injection. So now onto function ge innondu ಹೆಸರೇನು surjective function ಅಥವಾ surjection. Then what is onto function? Onto function, a function f maps a to b is said to be onto function if every element in codomain has pre-image. Andre codomain, suppose f maps a to b, this is a and this is b. So every element in codomain I have three elements 1, 2, 3. Every element in codomain should have pre-image. So 1 ಗೆ ಪ್ರೀ ಇಮೇಜ್ ಏನು ಎ, 2 ಗೆ ಪ್ರೀ ಇಮೇಜ್ ಏನು ಬಿ, 3 ಗೆ ಪ್ರೀ ಇಮೇಜ್ ಏನು ಸಿ. ಸೊ 1, 2, 3 ಎಲ್ಲ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ಗೂ ಇಮೇಜ್ ಪ್ರೀ ಇಮೇಜ್ ಇದೆ. ಆರ್ ಅದರ್ವೈಸ್ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸೇ ಎವ್ರಿ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಇನ್ ಕೋಡೊಮೈನ್ ಶುಡ್ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಟ್ ಆಸ್ ಇಮೇಜ್. Every element in codomain should act as image. ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ f of a, image of a is what 1, image of b is what 2, image of c is what 3, means every element. So in codomain, all of you know, in very first class I taught you what is domain, what is codomain, how to read this. F maps a to b. What is a? Domain. What is b? Codomain. Second set is called as codomain. So if you see the codomain, every element in codomain should act as image. So 1 is acting image of A, 2 is acting as image of B, 3 is acting as image of C. So now if every element acts as image, then we call it as onto function. In two ways we can say. So a function f maps A to B is said to be onto function if every element in codomain acts as image, or every element in codomain as pre-image in its domain. Now this is one example. I'll show other example which is not onto, then it will become clear. ಈಗ onto ಅಲ್ಲ ಅನ್ನೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಒಂದು ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ತೊಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ, ಅವಾಗ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಇನ್ನೂ ಕ್ಲಾರಿಟಿ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ನಾವು ಈಗ ನೋಡಿ, ಐ ಹವ್ ಟೇಕನ್ ಎ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಎಫ್ ಮ್ಯಾಪ್ಸ್ ಎ ಟು ಬಿ. ಎ ಇಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ಡೊಮೈನ್, ಬಿ ಇಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ಕೋಡೊಮೈನ್. ಈ ಕೋಡೊಮೈನಲ್ಲಿ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ 3 ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ 5, 9, 2. 5 is acting as image of A, and same 5 is also acting as image of B, but 2 is acting as image of C. But 9 ಗೆ pre-image ಇಲ್ಲ. 9 is not acting as image. 9 is not acting as image, or 9 does not have pre-image. So f of a 5 ಕೊಡುತ್ತೆ, f of b 9 ಕೊಡುತ್ತೆ, ಸರಿ f of b ನೂ 5 ಕೊಡುತ್ತೆ, b is mapping to 5, f of c gives you 2. So now 5 acts as image, 2 acts as image, but 9 does not act as image. So therefore 9 does not have pre-image. 9 does not have what? Pre-image, or 9 is not acting as image. Therefore this is not onto. This is not onto. onto ಅಂದ್ರೇನು, ಕೋಡೊಮೈನಲ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟು ಇಮೇಜ್ ಆಗಿರಬೇಕು. ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರೂ ಒಂದು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಇಮೇಜ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ ಅದು onto ಅಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಐ ಆಮ್ ರಿಪೀಟಿಂಗ್, ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ತರೋವಾಗಿ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ತಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ, ದೆನ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಡಿಸೈಡ್ whether it's one or onto or not in many other problems. We have greatest integer function, modulus function, trigonometric functions, inverse trigonometric function, different types of functions are there. But to solve any function, to know whether the function is onto or not, first you should know the basic. What is the basic? A function f maps a to b is said to be onto function if every element in codomain acts as image. ಅಂದರೆ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಸೆಟ್ಟಲ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟು ಇಮೇಜ್ ಆಗಿ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು. ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರೂ ಒಂದು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಇಮೇಜ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ ಅದು onto ಅಲ್ಲ. ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 9 ಇಮೇಜ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ, therefore it's not onto. I'll take one simple example. So answer my question now. F maps p to q. How to read this? F maps p to q. What is p? Domain. What is q? Codomain. Now p I'll take ab, q I'll take 1, 5, 9, a maps to 1, b maps to 9. So now image of a 1, image of b 9. 1 is acting as image, 9 is acting as image. ಹೌದಾ? And does 5 acts as image? 5 is not acting as image. 5 image ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ, therefore this is not onto. Now I hope all of you understood what is onto and speciality of onto. ನೋಡಿ, here I wrote a note for onto function. Range is equal to codomain. What is meant by range? Range ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? In first year PUC you have studied range means what? Set of images. What is range? Set of images. ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ರೇಂಜ್ ಮತ್ತು ಕೋಡೊಮೈನ್ ಎರಡು ಒಂದೇ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ set of images, image of A 1, image of B 2, image of C 3. So, set of images if I write, I will get 1 2 3. Codomain means second set if I write 1 2 3. So, codomain and range both are same. If the function is onto, then codomain and range both are same. Illi, what is range? I will write range. Range means what? Set of images. Now, 5 acts as image, 2 acts as image, because f of A is 5, f of B is 5 and f of C is 2, f of C is 2. So, images 5 5 2. Range and range, set of images. Set al baribekadre elements repeat agbardu. What is the definition of set? In set theory you have studied. Set means collection of distinct objects. So, well defined distinct objects. 5 2, 5 repeat madbaaru. So, now I wrote range. Range means what? Set of images. I wrote images. So, now codomain I will write. What is codomain? Second set. So, what is the codomain in this? So, codomain is 5 9 2. Here you can see codomain and range are not same, but range is subset of codomain. Range is subset of codomain. Here codomain is what? B. Generally range is subset of codomain, but in onto function, akasmat function enadru onto adre, if function is like this, if function is onto, then codomain and range both will be same. For an onto function, range will be equal to what? Codomain. So, what is onto function? A function f maps A to B is said to be onto or surjective if every element in codomain acts as image. If every element in codomain acts as image, then it is onto. They will not ask you to define onto, but if you know the definition, you can answer the problems. Now, we will see mathematical approach, mathematical form of onto. So, in problems, how to prove onto? How to prove onto in certain problems? So, mathematical approach is simple. First, you take an element belonging to, I will assume a function first. So, let me take f maps A to B. I am taking a function. What is the function I am taking? F maps A to B. What is A? Domain. What is B? Codomain. All of you know, first set is domain and second set is codomain. I am take an element belonging to codomain. Take y belongs to B. Take y belongs to what? B. Take y belongs to codomain, second set. And y, assume y is equal to f of x. Assume y is equal to what? F of x. And solve for x. Idana solve ಮಾಡಿ x g of y ಬರುತ್ತೆ. X will become function of y and that should belong to domain. So, method is simple. Take y is equal to what? Function of x. And further solve and get x, and that x will be function of y and that should belong to what? X should belong to domain and y in the beginning should belong to what? Codomain. This is a method. To make you understand better, we will take type 1 problem. I will take type 1 problem. Now, example type 1. They gave f of x. Consider a function f maps R to R. Means your domain is real number, codomain is also real number. F of x is given. What is f of x? 3x plus 2, a linear equation. And check whether f is onto. They are asking you check whether f is onto. Onto means what? Every element in the codomain should act as image. So, real numbers, is it finite set? Real number is not finite set. So, therefore, we will generalize. So, it is onto. Linear equation in real numbers is onto. And how to prove this mathematically? I will take y. Y belongs to codomain. What is the codomain? R. Then assume y is equal to what? Function of x. Take y is equal to what? F of x. And what is f of x given in the problem? What is given in the problem? 3x plus 2. ನೋಡಿ ಈ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಈಸಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ನೀವು ಕ್ವಶನ್ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. So, this is the easiest chapter because if you want formula, formula will be given in the problem itself. What is f of x? 3x plus 2, substitute. Now, from this get x, idrinda x ತಗೊಂಡು ಬನ್ನಿ. So, 2 ಈ ಕಡೆ ಬಂದರೆ y minus 2 is equal to 3x. Further solve for x. So, y minus 2 is equal to 3 into x. Into 3 ಈ ಕಡೆ ಬಂದರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ 3 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಯು ಗಾಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂತು? y minus 2 divided by 3. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಯುವರ್ x ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ. ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ y? ರಿಯಲ್ ನಂಬರ್. ನೋ ಮೈ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಟು ಯು, ರಿಯಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ minus 2 ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಎನಿ ರಿಯಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ minus 2 ಇಸ್ ರಿಯಲ್. ಡು ಯು ಅಗ್ರಿ ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್? ನೀವು ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರೂ ಒಂದು ರಿಯಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ ತೊಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, -2 ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ರಿಯಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಹೌದೋ ಅಲ್ವೋ? ಹೌದು. ಸೊ 10 minus 2 8 ಆರ್ -5 minus 2 ಎಷ್ಟು? -7. ಆಲ್ ಆರ್ ರಿಯಲ್. ರಿಯಲ್ -2 is real. Real by 3 is also what? Real. So, y minus 2 by 3 is x value and this I can say belongs to domain. What is the domain? R. So, x is belonging to domain, means y is in codomain, its image is in domain. So, every element in codomain is pre-image. Therefore, what is the conclusion? Therefore, f is onto. F is what? Onto. I hope all of you understood. What is the method? Method is simple. First you start with what? Assume. First step is let y belongs to what? Codomain. Take an element in codomain. Codomain means second set. Take y is equal to what? F of x. Then f of x will be given in the problem, substitute and rearrange and solve and get the value of x. And after you get the value of x, check whether it belongs to domain. Domain is what? Real number. Yes, y is real number. Real minus 2 by 3 is also real, belongs to domain, x belongs to domain. Therefore, f is onto. Type 1 is simple. Any doubts? Now we'll do type 2. Check whether onto. The last check whether onto. So now they gave f of x. What is f of x given? X square plus 3. F of x given is x square plus 3. Check whether f is onto. How to check whether f is onto? Same. Let y belongs to codomain. Codomain means any real number. It may be negative or positive. Y is equal to f of x. And what is f of x? X square plus 3. And further solve for x. So y minus 3 is equal to x square. Y minus 3 is equal to what? X square. Further solve, x is equal to root of y minus 3 plus or minus. So y is the real number. If I take any real number, x is equal to root of y minus 3 I will take, because x should be in positive real numbers. For all positive real numbers, I will get the values here. Now if you verify, y ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದಾದರೂ real number ತಗೊಳ್ಬೋದು. So if I take any real number, suppose if I take minus 5, I will not get r plus. So this will not become onto. So how to generalize? You take an example. When it is not true, you take an example to disprove. I will take y belongs to what? R. Y is equal to what? F of x. And f of x is what? X square plus 3. And from this, what is x? X square is y minus 3. And what is x? Root of y minus 3 plus or minus. But here I can take plus because x should be positive real number. But in the place of y, you can take any real number. If you take any real number, do you get r plus? Suppose if I take y is equal to minus 4. X ಏನಾಗುತ್ತಾಗ root of minus 4 minus 3. Root of minus 4 minus 3 is minus 7, does not belong to r plus. This is complex number. Therefore, what is the conclusion? So it will become imaginary. Therefore, it is not onto. One more problem of the same kind. Here we have linear function. So now try these functions whether they are onto or not. So now this is a question. Please all of you copy this. R minus 3, all real numbers other than 3. R minus 1, all real numbers other than 1. And this is set A, this is set B. Whether this is onto or not. If it is not onto, give an example. If it is onto, generalize. So generalizing, I showed you how to give example also. Try this. I will be doing the problems of onto again. Now what is bijective? Bijective function. A function is said to be bijective function if it is both 1 1 and onto. If any function satisfied both 1 1 and onto, if it is both 1 1 and onto, injective and surjective, then it is bijective. So many times in your board exam they have asked define bijective function. What is bijective function? A function is said to be bijective function if it is both 1 1 and onto. Now all of you know how to prove 1 1. How to prove 1 1? Distinct elements should have distinct images. If two elements have same image, then it is not 1 1. How to prove onto? Every element in codomain should act as image. If any element is present in codomain and if it is not acting as image, then it is not onto. So if you can prove a function is both 1 1 and onto, then we call it as bijective function. So now we conclude. So in today's class I taught you what is onto function. I also taught you how to prove onto function and how to disprove whether a given function is onto, and also I taught you what is bijective function. I will see you in my next class. Thanks for attending the session. Thank you.